Melal in sang ania Tripura Games and Sports Association hian General Secretary ani meka chuan tuna hian Tripura Volleyball Club hian maloka mina hian Pro Volleyball khel na ta chuan Tripura Volleyball Club players tele coaching staff te thata khel turin du sakna na sainan ban chewa chuan Tripura Volleyball Club hi an la hriat lo takin Tripura Volleyball Club hi kum khan din ania chuan ni kuma te po khan Pro Volleyball te po an chu khel to nge ni tulai chuan players kan lak thin dana hi khotina selection ning thina nia chuan khotina tangin Tripura khotina tangin players te hi anong thil ti la ya kha kan chu te poka chuan hroi tu te po hi Tripura ko sam sang atanga in ruat thin an ni ti la ya kha an soi fi kan tu poka chuan po ni se tom nan chuan Tripura Volleyball Club te Pro Volleyball an khel na tura tu sama sang ber lan nu le chu ni me
Coming to Michael Alpingania, Lake Tumpo, Mania. Coming to Michael Alpingania, Michael, Lake Tumpo, Lake Tumpo, Mania. This round, volleyball club here, Captain Kania, Kunahian Pakona, and practice Megan. Mizoram Volleyball Association in Nabu Volleyball League, Kumsang. Mizoram Volleyball Association Pro Volleyball League Kumsang isang patong June tani kurahian ito konsultan kami.
Hindi lang pinagpuya kan dia, saya nanti coach na kung tua kan. Tripura Volleyball kapahian assistant captain kan dia. Tripura Volleyball kapahian assistant captain kan dia.
Tuna votur hi Michaela kan kapten ani Tuna votur hi sena assistant captain Khuang Thing Khua ani Tuna votur so ardia Khuang Thing Khua ani Tuna votur so moitea farko nani Tuna votur hi chuatea sai khumphai khua ani Tuna votur hi chuatea sai khumphai khua ani Tuna votur hi Michaela captain Leithum Khua ani Tuna votur hi sena assistant captain Khuang Thing Khua ani Tuna votur so ardia 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 Khuang Thing Khua ani
Tuna votur Kesia, perfect zone. Ardia. CSO Bull Flex Zone middle players